morning, students. Let us start part 5, chapter 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor, factor tree. In this video, we will discuss about factor tree. We make factor tree by the factors of a number. And what are the factors? Prime numbers. So this is called as prime factorization. So we know any composite number can be expressed in the form of product of prime numbers, like 18. Okay, what we can do, let us see. 9 to the 18. Okay, so 2 is prime number, so this branch will finish here. 9 is not a prime number, it is a composite number, so we can make its further factor. 3 3 is 9. Okay, so again 3 is prime number, so we cannot further divide this factor tree. So 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 2 is 18. So every composite number can be written as product of prime numbers. So this is the basic idea about prime factorization or factor tree. This was the 9 into 2. There can be another method. For example, 18. We know 6 3 is 18. Okay, 6 3 is 18. So this time 3 is prime, and this branch will stop here. 3 2 is 6. Now again 3 2 is 6. This 3 prime 2 prime, so factor tree will finish here. Again 18 can be written as 3 into 2 into 3. Okay, so you can observe 2 times 3 1 time 2, 2 times 3 1 time 2. So in every case, however we start factor tree, the end of factor tree is same. Prime factorization is same. So every composite number can be written in the form of product of prime numbers, and we do it with the help of factor tree. Okay, so another example is 24. Okay, think about any two numbers. By multiplying we get 24. 8 3 is 24. Simply these two numbers are there. Okay, so this is prime number, so this branch will finish here. Here think any two factors. 4 2 is 8. This 2 is prime number, so this this branch will finish here. This 2 2 is 4. 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 3 is 24. So by multiplying these factors, we can get this number. So 24 can be expressed with the product of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so we can have another way of making factor tree with 24. What can be that? 24. 6 4 ja 24. You know that 6 4 ja 24. So 2 2 ja 4. And 3 2 ja 6. So again these are prime numbers, so the branches will finish here only. So you will see 24 can be expressed with the product of 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 and the same results will come here. So there can be another method of making factor tree of 24. You can try and comment me how will you start there. Like we have started 6 4 are 24, 8 3 are 24. There will be one another method for 24. You can start and tell me in the comment box. Let us move next. Take example of 32. Okay, so 32, 8 4 are 32. 8 can be further, 4 can be further divided with 2 2s are 4. Finish. 2 is prime, 2 is prime. So the branch will finish here only. 8. 4 2s are 8. This one, this is 2 prime number. So this branch will finish here. This will be again break. 2 2s are 4. So now 32 can be written as product of these prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 1 2 3 4 5 times 2. Okay, let us take another way for 32. Okay, 32 can be break like this. 16 into 2, 16 to the 32. So this can we can start factor tree with this. 16, 8 to the 16. We know this is prime number, so the branch will finish here. 8 to the 16. So this is again prime. The branch will finish here. Now we can further divide this 8. 4 to the 8. Now again this is prime number. This will finish here. 4 2 to the 4. So at the end we will see there will be 5 times 2. 32 can be written as multiple of 5 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So however the way you start 32, we have started 32 like this, 8 4 are 32, or we have started with 16 2 are 32. We get 5 times 2. Okay, so prime factorization means we divide a number up to all prime factors, or we can say every composite number can be written in the form of product of prime numbers. Let us move further. 16, for example, 16. 4 4 are 16. Another way could be 8 2 are 16. Now neither this 4 is prime nor this 4 is prime, so both branch will grow. 2 2 are 4. This both is prime, so the branch will terminate here, finish here. Now this 4, 2 2 are 4. So 16 can be written as product of 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16. 4 times 2. Let us see with 36. 36 can be written as 6 6 are 36. Neither 6 is prime nor this 6 is prime, so this can be further divided. 2 2 3 2 are 6, and again this 6 also. 3 2 are 6. Now these are the prime numbers with the factor tree for 36. Let us take example of 42. 42, 21 to the 42. This is prime number, so branch will finish here. 21, we can divide 21 further. 7 3 are 21, and these two are prime numbers. So 42 can be written as product of these prime numbers. 7 3 are 21, 2 are 42. Thank you. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video.